morning children, welcome to the online class. Children, in the last class we are learning about how to write rounding of numbers nearest to tens and how to write rounding of numbers nearest hundreds and nearest thousands. Today we are seeing children four fundamental operations. Four fundamental operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will see the four fundamental operations children. Okay, first we learn like that addition. So what is the given number children? What is this number? How to read this number children? 8162 and 5789. What is that children? 8162 and 5789. For these numbers in which place children? That one is period is 8000. So we want to write now rounding of numbers to the thousands. Okay children, so thousands means we should write like this. So right side of the, we want to observe that the right side of the thousands place, that one is hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we should observe that in hundreds place means thousands right side of the number. So that one is 1. 1 means that is less than 5. Less than 5 means we want how to write that one children? How to round off this number is, we should write a thousand place is say less than 1 means we should write ones place, tens place and hundred place like this, keep zeros. Okay children? For that means 8162 is nearest to the number is 8000 and next one is 5789. So we want to write the nearest thousands place. Thousands place means we want to observe that right side of the thousands place. That one is 7. 7. So 7 is less than 5 or greater than 5 children? Greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we want to add for this number plus 1. Okay? That one is 6. And keep the all digits, ones, tens, hundreds, keep that all the digits 0. So 8162 is nearer to the number is 8000 and 5789 is the nearer to the round up to the thousands is 6000. So both these two numbers are add means, so 8000 plus 6000 means 40,000. So just we want to estimate for that given numbers children. See children, here I am writing addition 8162 plus 5789. So 2 plus 9 11 and 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 1 15, 7 plus 1 8 and plus 1 9 and 8 plus 5 13. What is that children? 13,951. What is that children? Answer 13,951. See children, so 13,951 is which of the nearest thousand? Which number of the nearest thousand? See children, 13,951. So 13,000. So 1000 of the right side of the number is hundreds place. So that one is 9. 9 is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we should add to the thousands place plus 1. Plus 1 is 13,000. How to write children? 40,000 and greater than 5 means here we should add plus 1 and keep the all the digits like zeros. So 40,000. So estimation, just we are estimating of the nearest thousands, rounding of thousands number children. Okay. So for this same sums like this children, here I am giving additions. Just we should write like this only children. First one is 8572. Just write for this number of the rounding of the thousands number and for this also. And second sum is 7466. Write the rounding of the nearest thousands. For this also write the nearest thousands. Okay children, that one is addition. Next one is subtraction. See children, what is that? Subtraction. So here giving the number is 5723 and 2867. See children, 5723 minus 2867. So first we want to just estimate children. What is that estimate? What is the given number? 5723. So like this 6,000. And next one is children 2,867. How to write this number is rounding of thousands children. Here see children hundreds place is 8. 8 means that one is more than, greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we should add plus 1 to the thousands place like this. 3. What is that children? 3,000. So remaining all the digits we will give that zeros. So 6,000 minus 3,000 means that one answer is 3,000. Okay children, 3,000. Here see children I am writing subtraction 5, 7, 2, 3 and 2, 8, 6, 7. See children 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 means we will keep here borrowed subtraction. 13 minus 7 means 6. Here we have 1. 1 means we will take from this number 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Here we have 6. 6 minus 8 means we will take to the number from 5. So here 16. 16 minus 8 means 8. Here we have 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So what is the children? 2. Okay children, once again see children, here we should take here borrowing subtraction. So here 3 minus 7 means we will take that from 2 borrowing children. So 13. 13 minus 7 means 6. Here we have 1. Take 1 from 7 means 11 minus 6, 5. Here we have 6. Take from 5 means 1. 1 means 16. 16 minus 8, 8. Here have 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So this for this number, what is the rounding of thousand numbers children? So 2,856 means here in hundreds place we have 8. 8 means add to thousands place plus 1. So 3,000 and keep all the digits like zeros. So okay children, for this number we are just estimating. Just estimating means rounding of thousand numbers children. So like this sums here I will give 2 sums children. Practice these sums in classwork children. Next operation is children, that one is multiplication. So that one is multiplication. For these two numbers observe children 58 into 67. For these two given numbers we want to write rounding of tens. Tens means children right side of the tens place we want to observe that children. So see children for this one 58. 58 means what is the nearest ten children for 58? 8. 8 means what is the children? That is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we should add plus 1 to the tens place. So that one is 58 of the rounding number is 60. And next one is 67. 67 means see children here what is the number in ones place children? 7. So 7 means that is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we should add plus 1 to the tens place. That one is 70. What is the children? 70. So 60 into 70 means what is the children? Multiplication 5,600. What is the children? 5,600. So for this one, estimation of the numbers 58 into 67. So write children 7 8 56 and 7 5 35 plus 5 40. And next number 6 8 48. And 6 5 30. 30 plus 4 34. So what is the children? 6 8 8 and 3. See children, 58 of the rounding of the number of tens means 60. So for that 67 means 70. So what is the children? 67 are 4,200. For this estimation of the number is 3,886. How to write children? Here, so in this 100 place what is the given number children? 8. 8 means that is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we should add plus thousands place plus 1. So that one is 4,000. Like this 4,200 means so like nearer to the 1,000. Okay, next one is children division. So divide. Divide means 976 division of 18 divided by 18. See children 976 division of 18. 18 5 how much children? That one is 90. So 76. 76. And next one is 18 4 72. So what is the remainder children? 4. For these two numbers, estimation number is 976. 976 means this one is nearest to one. We should write the nearest 100. Nearest 100 means 976. Here in tens place is 7. That one is 7 means we should add to the plus 1. So 900 means 1000. Okay children, and plus divide the division of 18. 18 of the nearest 10 is 20. So 1000 divided by 20 means that one is 500. Okay children. For division of here I give two sums children, and multiplication also. Division 936 divided by 7 and 956 divided by 17. Okay children, copy these sums in class work. This is today's class children. Thank you.